Having dryer problems? At Guerrero's Appliances, we understand how important it is to have a fully functioning dryer, especially when laundry piles up. That's why we offer prompt and professional service, using only high-quality parts to ensure lasting results. With years of experience, we specialize in diagnosing and fixing dryer issues, ensuring your appliance runs smoothly and efficiently. Our team of skilled technicians is committed to providing fast, reliable service so you can get back to your daily routine without the hassle of a malfunctioning dryer. Whether it's a simple fix or a more complex repair, Guerrero's Appliances has the expertise to handle it all. Call today at 806-437-6006 with your model number ready.